guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a really simple and quick DIY for you today. I mentioned in a previous video that I've redone this office space for my YouTubing, and I've been doing a few projects to sort of put the room together. Today I'm making a really simple push pin board. I knew I wanted one to tack things up, little pieces of paper, little inspirational sayings to get me motivated, but I didn't really need to go pay $20, $30, $40 at Office Depot to buy one. And so inspiration struck. I was at a local dollar store we have around here. It's called Dollar Zone, and they were selling these pieces of corkboard for just $1. I got a sheet, really inexpensive, and I'm gonna pair it with another item to make it look really chic, really pretty. If you don't have one of these stores around you, you can look in other dollar stores. You can also buy stuff like this at Walmart, at Michael's. It's gonna be inexpensive. So to pair with this, I took a Dollar Tree frame that I already had. This was one of, they've got these like metallic ones out right now. They've got gold, silver, copper. I liked this one because it came with a mat. I really love the Dollar Tree frames with a mat. I find that anything that you frame with a mat, it's always gonna look a little bit pricier. And then I just popped it in. And there you go. How simple was that? And you can hang it up and you can put anything you want on it. You can make a bunch of these too, and you could use each one for a different purpose, for different things that you're working on. You could do different sizes depending on the size of the frame you get. Really simple. You can dress it up however you like. So a couple weeks ago I did a project like this. I did a dry erase board with sort of the same idea. I took a Dollar Tree frame, a Dollar Tree dry erase board, upgraded it. I'll put a link below for you guys if you want to see that. Watch the technique. It's super simple. I hope you use this. I'm gonna attach a little clip at the end now showing you how this looks hung up on the wall with some stuff attached to it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are gonna try this. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. I do really simple DIYs every single week. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.